Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Fam Bam. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are notified immediately as soon as I drop a new video. Today, I wanted to do something super simple, everyday, very easy, beginner friendly. All right, Diamonds, don't forget to like this video and also leave a comment down below letting me know what you liked about the video. Enough of rambling, darling. If you're interested in finding out how I came up with this makeup look today, keep on watching. For today's look, I'm going to use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. Just a side note, I do not like this palette. It has so much kick up. It is absolutely freaking ridiculous for a company of this stature to have products this mediocre. I've had it for about 60 days. This is the first full look that I've done with it. I've have played in it, but have stopped because the kickback was just ridiculous. Going in with Dusty Rose, I am going to place that in and slightly above my crease. I first tried to use the Anastasia little brush that they put in the palette. I quickly got annoyed with that and flipped to a fluffy blending brush. Now going in with Cypress Umber, I am going to focus that directly in my crease and blend it up slightly above. I just like the sound of it. Now going in with my Rimmel London Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer, and I'm just going to line my lid and kind of push it up just a little bit just so I can have something to feather out. Then I'm gonna grab Noir, which is a matte black, and I am going to apply that to my lid and kind of focus it on my lash line and blend it up. I just like the sound. Going in with my MAC 217, just blending out that Noir and then that Cypress Umber, just so that they are seamless. For my highlight shade, I'm going to grab Tempera, which you can see I was definitely not feeling it. But the look must go on, so I just decided to blend it out with the first shade that I laid down. For my primer today, I'm going to use the Ordinary High-Adherence Silicone Primer. I've had this in my arsenal for a little while, but I sparingly use it, so I thought I'd pop it out today. For a little added protection in this summer heat, I am going to now powder my face. I'm going to use my Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. I got this actually off of Amazon. It was a couple bucks. Works like a dream. Going in with a foundation brush that I got off of Amazon, I am going to spray it down with my Mario Badescu spray, and then I am going to use my new favorite foundation in the world, the Covergirl. I believe that's Matte Made in D70. I just like the sound. For my concealer, I just picked up the Instant Age Rewind, and I actually love it. I am in the shade Hazelnut. I also paired it with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. To contour, I grab my Black Radiance True Collection Contour Palette in Medium Dark. I applied it with my Morphe M530. I actually liked this brush a lot, although it does shed a little bit, enough to annoy me, but not, too much. I'm actually thinking about grabbing another one because it is perfect. It fits my face right in those key areas. To set my contour, I went in with my Black Radiance True Collection Loose Setting Powder.
I just like the sound.
I swept my powder away with my Real Techniques multitask brush. And with that same brush, I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural in dark to set the rest of my face. Hey. Going in with that same Morphe brush, I went in with my NYX blush in Desert Rose. To highlight, I used my Artist Contour and Jackie Aina in LaPeach. And I applied that with my tapered highlight brush from Ulta Beauty.
I just like the sound of it.
I grabbed the same brush that I used for my contour and my Huda Beauty Bronze Sands palette, and I'm going to use that Bora Bora to top my blush. To line my lips, I grabbed my MAC Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in Nice and Spicy. And I paired it with my Viva Glam Cindy. And diamonds, that completes the look for today. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware as soon as I drop a new video. And diamonds, as always, until next time.